All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your LINE official account to your Zaapi account. So getting started is very simple. It's only 3 easy steps. I'm going to go through the first step with you. So you're going to go to where settings are in your Zaapi account, and you're going to scroll down to where you see integrations. In the integrations, you're going to go to where it says LINE official account. And in this case, we're going to connect more. Here, you'll get this pop-up. It says the channel secret and the channel access token. To get these, we have to go to our LINE official account, which is what we're going to do now. So in your LINE official account, the home page should look something like this. If you go to where it says settings right here on the top right corner, you want to scroll down to where it says messaging API. Once that is found, you want to enable messaging API, and you want to fill out this information here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once that is done, you're going to be able to select the provider. This is the name of the company who will be operating this account. In this case, we're going to use Zaapi. Now that that is enabled, we will now have the messaging API, the channel ID, and the channel secret to use back in Zaapi's settings. You want to go ahead and copy over the channel secret right here, paste that here into Zaapi. Now that is pasted into Zaapi's link, the next thing you want to do is get the channel access token. Now to get this, it's a little more complicated, but you need to go to where it says LINE Developers Console right here. If you land on the main page here, just go to where it says Your Console at the top. You should see your account right here. Go to where it says Messaging API. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will need to issue this channel access token. Once that is here, all you gotta do is copy it and then put this into Zaapi. Once that is done, you should see your account that says connected right here within Zaapi. The last step you want to do is go back to where your LINE developer account is, go into Messaging API, and then enable this webhook here. And once that is refreshed, you should see that the account is connected here on Zaapi. Now, what you want to keep in mind is this is for the LINE official accounts that you have the admin access to. You have administrator rights. If you don't, what you want to do is request permission from the person who have the admin access. Once they grant you that admin access, you can be able to integrate that with your Zaapi account.